In this tutorial, we want to set up n8n as a free self-hosted installation on our Windows machine using Docker. n8n is a workflow automation platform that can be integrated with many other applications and services. You can check the website to see which applications you can integrate with n8n. Docker, on the other hand, lets us package your application as a container and easily deploy it to other servers. You can install Docker Desktop on Windows, Mac, or Linux. After installing Docker Desktop, when you navigate to Container, Image, or Volume, they are empty. So let's dive in to see how we can install and run n8n using Docker. When we navigate to the n8n GitHub page, we see there are two ways to install n8n. In the last tutorial, we installed n8n using npm, and in this tutorial, we use Docker. In the n8n documentation, we navigate to the Docker installation part. We scroll down to the instructions how to install n8n using Docker. We will run the commands line by line. The first line creates a volume for Docker. When we run it, a volume is created. The next line installs n8n on Docker and runs it. If the n8n Docker image is not installed on our machine, Docker will pull the image and install it. After it is downloaded and running, it shows that we can access our n8n on our local host port 5678. When we open Docker Desktop, we see the container and the volume are created. When we navigate to localhost 5678, n8n is running and we must register an owner account. We provide our email, first name, last name, and password and log into our system. The first time we log in, we can fill out some questionnaires. After filling out all the questions, we click on Get Started. And now we have a fresh copy of n8n using Docker on our local Windows system. This tutorial is only about the installation, so we can now close it and close the terminal. This will stop n8n. Later, if we want to update the image, we simply use Docker Desktop and pull the image. If you need more information about the image, you can click on View Package. When we open the command prompt and run it again, our registration data is still there and we can log in using our email and password. To wrap it up, n8n is a workflow automation platform that can be used in the cloud or self-hosted on our machine using npm or Docker. After installation, you can integrate it with many apps and services, which we will cover in the coming videos. If you are interested in AI, automation, or finance, you can join our free community on Skool and connect with other like-minded people. This community is still free, so join today and get in touch.